Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is my week 2 update video. I will, for this video, we're supposed to provide an update on our application progress. I was just gonna go ahead and show y'all what I've got done. Oops. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I've got done. I'm gonna actually, instead of running this on my iPad, I'm gonna run this in the simulator. Let me do it on the regular because it don't show up well. I'm just gonna go ahead and run through what I've got done. Not even close to being done. I'll actually probably end up working on this project after this course. I've been having a lot of problems finding the correct API with the data I need, so I'm ended up having to use the Foursquare app, which is what I had originally planned to use, but it more gives restaurants and bars, sports bars, and maybe even like places that sell sports items. It's not really giving out the teams local to this area. Have been trying to run through the ESPN API and the Yahoo Sports API, and haven't had luck with either one of them trying to do the search by location for the teams. But I am going to keep searching, and my app will probably get updated with the new API to implement in it. Here comes my iPad up finally. Like I said, I did have a couple sticking points. One of the sticking points was I was having a problem getting the data into my custom classes. I ain't gonna say I was having a problem getting to the custom classes, but making sure that there wasn't no NS nulls in my data that would run through 40 or 50 places and different objects. Okay, my app's up. I probably should have gave my simulator a place, because it's probably going to be, anyway, probably going to be 0-0 on this application. But anyway, this would, when you turn on the app, this is what would come up. You would be asked, and it would go ahead and tell you right here, where you can read a little information about the app. Sports Up Close helps you find your local sporting places. You must allow GPS location for this application to run correctly. Have fun at your event. Press go. So after they would allow, we would go ahead and at this point, my application would actually grab the location data, save it to a custom object. That way it would be accessible through the rest of my app. So then I would hit on go. Oh, it did it. Oh, it gave me a California address. Okay, cool. Because it gave me, on my device, it gave me my local ones, and this ain't nothing to what it looked like. So it did give me a little shock right here seeing it. But it's also good because it tells me no matter what state or where I'm at, it's going to get that location and actually give me the places in that location. So that was a good thing, because I really don't have nobody with iOS devices to test my apps or anything like that. So, but as you can see, we'd pull up the table view here, would pull up all your local sports places. As you see, I haven't got the icon part worked out, but I do have an icon in. It's just a static icon. We will implement that, getting the icon for these places or picture for these places. We'll probably end up having to pull actually another API in to do that, which, like I said, I'll probably be working on this a lot after this class. But I will click on, let's see, eBay Sporting Building. I've never even heard of that, but let's go to it. Boom. So we get a detailed view here, and as you can see, I ain't updated none of my buttons yet. This is all probably will be done by the end of the day, but I need to go ahead and get this video done. That way I'd have something turned in and not nothing. But as you can see, it brings over the name, the state, the city and the state, and it would have a picture here of the place. And what I would like to do is you would be able to either select a map to take you to a map to map you to the location. Then a web view would bring up hitting the web button, which would be a website button, would actually bring up the website if they have one. If not, it would just bring up a Google page searching for that. A photo would actually let you bring up your camera and take a photo of the place at the event, or of the build, the place you're at, or maybe even, you know, just something there that you just wanted to take a photo. You'd actually be able to edit the photo before you saved it to your camera roll, and then you'd be able to exit the app. But then I did put it in a navigation controller. That way, we could, any screen we come back to show you how it changes every time. I do have a map hooked up, but I haven't got my functionality to my map yet. Be doing that all this evening. The web page right now, it's just pulling up the full cell, because I haven't. My API hasn't gave me the website data yet. Like I said, I'm trying to just frantically been searching for a week, and probably be searching longer than that. But as you can see, it does bring up the website. You know, you can just, you know, scroll through, and you can either exit to go back, or you can just hit back to go back that way. This would be, and it's going to throw an error here because I hit the camera button, and obviously in the simulator it does not have a camera on it, so it will throw that error, and I'll tell you the error it gave. This is just telling you, this is the error: source type 1 not available. It means that there is no camera on this device because it is not a device. So I will, like I said, I will be updating this app with tons of stuff. Like I said, I've just been sort of trapped off on this API and getting the data that I need. But I will be researching and doing a lot more work. Thanks for watching my video.